already in March and all are geared up with the calculation and payment of advance tax. For many, it is just an annual ritual, and hence there are a lot of small hiccups and challenges, mainly if you do not want to pay it online and want to generate the challan. So let us talk about it today and ensure the smooth payment of advance tax. Hello friends, welcome to the accounting school. If you are the first time visitor to the channel, as usual, let me introduce you the activities. We discuss here a lot of current issues about financial and non-financial background, but which to help you clear your small doubts and offer you the practical solutions. So with this, let us start with today's topic of advance tax. By now you all must know that there are 4 installments of advance tax: 15% in June, 45 in September, 60 in December and 90 in March. But mind you, if you are already a businessman who is assessed under the presumptive income of 44AD, then, and of course if you are an independent professional such as doctor, lawyer or architect under 44ADA of Income Tax Act, then you have to pay full advance tax, full tax as advance tax, that is 100% by 15th March. So what if you forget to pay or you pay less by 15 March? No problem, you can pay by 31st March and still it will be treated as a advance tax. If you are a senior citizen, then you are exempted from paying the advance tax. But if you are an NRI senior citizen, you are not exempted from paying the advance tax. You have to calculate your capital gain, interest income and other income which you are accrued in India, and you have to pay the advance tax on the same. Mainly you need to accommodate all the incomes, that is you have to take into account all the incomes which are accrued during the year. But sometimes what happens is during the end of the year you get some receipt and there is some income which you have not calculated in the beginning of the year for the tax computation. In that case you can take that into account and pay the tax on the same. To avoid this situation, you can always pay the tax at the correct percentages which are given, like 15, 45, 60, and then this problem will not arise. So this will avoid the interest under 234B, which is 1% per month. Let's see some practical issues happening while you make the payment online. Sometimes you put a wrong assessment year, you select a wrong assessment year, you put a wrong amount. So no problem, Income Tax has already introduced a correction facility for challan. After logging in services section, there is a correction thing available and you can always rectify your challan and make it correct. Finally, if you wish to pay at the bank counter and do not wish to pay online, then there is a facility to generate the challan after you put the amount and also put your bank name. All the banks which are available for accepting the challans which are generated online are mentioned in that drop down menu. You can select your bank and within 15 days you will have to make that payment after generating the challan. So friends, that was all about advance tax. Hope you are now feeling comfortable and confident for computation of your advance tax and payment of the same by 15th March. So for all of you, happy calculation, and for any difficulty arising in the same, do respond to us in the email which is given below and we will try to solve your queries. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.